Hello everyone, this is Deepti. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. So before I start, I want to ask you, are you intimidated with mixed media cards? And if your answer is yes, then this tutorial will help you get started because in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make this clean and simple one layered mixed media fall card by adding lots of depth and the texture. So let's get started. Here I took 200 GSM Canson watercolor paper and for creating the fall background, I'm going to use fall color distress ink. You can find the list of supplies in the description below. Here I tapped the distress ink on the plastic packaging. You can use your craft sheet. Mine was very dirty and I was too lazy to clean it, so I thought of using this packaging before I throw it. And in this case, I don't need to clean it when I'm done. Okay, I sprayed the ink with water. Here I'm using Mr. Perfect from Maker Forte and I sprayed the watercolor paper also so that both can react well. I'm already liking it. I dried it using my heat gun and applied another color and heat dried it. I repeated this process till I was satisfied. The whole idea is if you want to create depth, you dry each layer before applying the next layer of ink. Here I added pink and orange distress ink because currently I can see mostly green and browns. So based on how the panel is coming up, you can add colors of your choice. Only thing you have to keep in mind that you heat dry the previous ink before you apply the next one. Only then it will give the depth. Here our panel is ready and you have noticed that I have added 6-7 layers of ink to get this result. I'm quite satisfied how it turned out. Now to further add interest, I splattered this panel with same distress ink colors. You can use this panel as it is for stamping for your fall leaves, or you can use it for die cutting your fall leaves. So there are so many ways you can use this panel, and if you change the color, you can easily create a beautiful galaxy background using the same technique and different colors. So this is a great way to create a mixed media background for your cards with different inks, and even you can create a different effect by using the same color. Now to further add more depth and layers to my panel, I stenciled some of the leaves from Maker Forte Blustery Day stencil, which is designed by Jazz Francisco. I have used same distress ink colors for that. Here I'm done with the stenciling. Now to further add interest, I have stamped some fall leaves from Maker Forte's Bear With Me stamp set. I've used same distress ink colors for stamping, and if you notice, I'm not using any stamping tool for stamping these leaves. I'm just doing it with my hands because I don't want crisp stamped image. With hands it gives different pressure at different parts of the stamp and creates some interest. Let's add more layers. Now I'm going to do some stenciling with modeling paste. For that I have used Paris modeling paste, but you can use any texture paste or stenciling paste which is available at your stash. Here I have added the texture paste randomly at the edges of the card panel because I'm planning to add sentiment at the center of the panel. But if you want to add a die cut sentiment or an image, then feel free to do it wherever you like. I really like how this panel turned out. It already giving me a feeling of autumn. Once my panel dried, I stamped the sentiment, and for that I'm using Maker Forte's Love stamp set, which is designed by Alex Iberia. I have stamped it using my stamping tool with Maker Forte's black Eclipse ink. So here our one layered mixed media panel is ready, and now time to adhere it to the matching card base. For that I have used Maker Forte's English Mustard cardstock and mounted my panel over it using glue. And for the final touch up, I have embellished it with Maker Forte's Aura gemstones. And with this, our clean and simple mixed media fall card is ready. I hope you get inspired and now you will not be intimidated by mixed media cards. Here I made it very clean and simple as per my taste, but you can add lots of other paper layers or stamps or flowers, etc., etc. as per your taste. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and do support me by subscribing to my channel. I'll be back here soon. Till then, bye bye.